letter writing. What will be our today's topic?
Letter
Right. Very interesting topic it is, and a very important topic it is. Why? Because most of the students and most of the elder people also don't know how to write a letter. So do you want to be among themselves who don't know how to write a letter? Or you want to write a letter in a very good format? You want or you don't want?
Want.
You all want? Yes or no? Yes, Ayush.
Yes,
You want to write a letter properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we all have studied the letter writing in the previous classes. So anyone who can tell me how many types of letters are there? Types of letters?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So there are
Small letters and capital letters.
No, not that letter writing. In Hindi, patra lekhan we call. Not that letter writing. Another letter writing. In Hindi, you call it as patra. Right?
Yes, sir.
So how many types of letters are there?
There are 2 types.
Name them.
Sir.
One is the formal letter and second is the...
Sir, informal.
Yes, very good. One is formal and second is informal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got my point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today's topic is letter writing. We will look the chapter in detail. We'll be studying. Okay. What is letter writing?
Okay, sir.
I'm going to share a screen on the, I have prepared a PPT for this. Can you all see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, a chapter is letter writing. Okay, let us start. Now, what is letter? What is letter?
Letter.
The first point you see on the screen, letter is a written message, right? You write
Yes,
a
sir.
message, you write a written message to someone, that is a letter. Suppose
Yes,
you are
sir.
absent in school and you write a letter to the principal that you were absent, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is a written message that you give to your principal.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
sir.
you want to ask the health of your uncle and your uncle stays far away from your side. So you can write a letter to your uncle.
Yes, sir.
How is your
Yes,
health?
sir.
That is again a form of written message.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Letter is a written message. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
We write a letter to person who are far away from us. Definitely we will write that because people who are near to us, suppose your neighbor. So will you write a letter to your neighbor?
Yes.
No, sir. No, sir.
Who is your neighbor? The person who lives near your house, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Will you
sir.
write a letter to your neighbor?
No, sir.
Near your house. So you and your mother live in the same house. Okay, so you and your parents live in the same house. So will you write a letter to your parents in the same
No,
house?
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
To whom do we write letter? We write letter to those people who live far away from us. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Third is we want to convey our message to them in a clear and forceful manner. What we have to do, when do we write a letter? When we want to communicate with the other person. We want to we want to convey our message with the other person in a very clear manner or in a very forceful manner. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is letter writing? The question is, if this is the definition of letter, so what is letter writing then? What is letter writing? Letter writing is the exchange of written or printed communication. What is letter writing? It is the exchange of written or printed communication. It means that you can either write a letter with pen or you can type it in your computer and you can have a printout.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is either a written form of communication or a printed form of communication. Now, what is communication? It means, what is communication? It is written the exchange of written or printed communication. Exchange means that person will give and in reply also you will get that something you will get in reply.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you write a letter to your uncle, so your uncle will reply the letter to you.
Yes, sir.
Right, the letter. So this means
Yes,
that so it is communication means the exchange of ideas, the exchange of thoughts, or the exchange of word is called communication. Communication can be written also, it can be oral also, and it can be in the forms of signs and symbols also. Okay, communication,
Yes,
you
sir.
can do communication by writing also, you can do communication by speaking also. Suppose I'm communicating with you, it means I'm teaching you, it means that I'm communicating you, and you're communicating me also. How? By giving the answer of the question that I ask, right? This is
Yes, sir.
communication.
Yes, sir.
What is letter writing? It is the exchange of communication. And what kind of in which form? Either in written form or in printed form. Written form means either written by hand or
Yes.
by print. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, the second point. Letter writing is considered to be an easy thing to do. Yes, it is a very easy thing, but I don't know why do people and why especially students forget to write a letter, and it seems that it is a very tough thing to write a letter. Letter writing is not tough, it is very easy. You just have to write your thoughts in the paper. This is letter writing. Ayush, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see the third point. But a very few write really good letters. We have already studied this. I have already told you before that letter writing, we all write a letter. But to write it in a proper format, to write it in a
Yes,
correct
sir.
format, very few students know it. And
Yes.
or very few people know this. Right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So how can you write a letter in proper format? How can you write a letter clearly, correctly? This is the chapter to be dealt with. Okay, and we will be studying that thing only in this chapter. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Because while when you will grow old and you will grow and you will go for some interview or for some job, so there you have to write a letter. If you will not be knowing the format, how will you be writing the letter? Right? Right? So having the correct knowledge, especially people don't know the format of writing letter. What is the correct format? That you have to learn. That is very important. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, see the next one. A good letter should follow all the rules of good conversation and good composition. It means when you write a letter, it should follow all the rules of good conversation. There are some rules of conversation, means how you communicate with the other person. And good composition, the matter that you write, the thing that you write has to be very good. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
let us move to the next slide. Now, types of letters. Here you are finding 3 types of letters, but in total there are only 2 basic types of letters. That is, one is the formal letter and second
Sir, informal.
informal letter.
Informal.
Formal and informal.
Informal.
Formal.
Different kind. There are many types of letters, but different. That can be categorized into 2 basic types. One is the formal letter and second is the informal.
Informal letter.
What is formal letter? A formal letter is a letter written to a business or college or a professional that are not considered friends or family. It means that what is a formal letter? It is a kind of letter that you write to official places. Suppose you want to write a letter to the principal, so you write a formal letter.
Yes, sir.
Formal
Yes,
letters are those type of letters which you write to the people who are not your friends and who are not your family members. Okay. Suppose
Okay, sir.
if you want to write a letter to the police commissioner, so you will write formal letter. You will not write informal letter. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
So what is formal letter? It is kind of business letter.
Business.
Or it is written for any official purpose. You write a letter to the principal, you write a letter to the editor of newspaper, you write a letter to the any other person, any the authority, that will be called as the formal letter. Okay?
Yes,
Now
sir.
what is
Yes,
formal
sir.
letter? The letter that you write to your friends and family members are called as informal letters. The letter that you write to near and dear ones, that kind of letter will be called as informal.
Informal.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Sir,
Yes.
Sir, like, sir, uncle, sir, writing letters, this is also informal letter.
Yes, if you write a letter to your uncle, that is informal letter. If you write a
Yes.
letter to your father, your friend, your mother, your grandfather, any relative,
Sir, is informal letter.
Yes, sir, informal letter.
am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any problem?
No,
No,
sir.
Okay. Now, our next topic is the format, how to write a letter clearly. Okay. Now we will very deeply look what is a formal letter. Okay. What is the correct format of formal letter? That will be.
Formal letter.
What? What?
Letter.
I have already told you that for formal letter, it is a letter that is written to official places, official purposes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What will the formal letter have? What will be the content of the formal letter? What will the formal letter include? This will include these things. Okay. First is the writer's address. It means that the person who is writing the letter, first his address will be there. Suppose you are writing the letter, so first
Yes,
you have your address in the letter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then will be the date on which you are writing the letter.
yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
First is writer's address. Second is the date on which
Yes,
you
sir.
are writing the letter.
Yes, sir.
The third is the inside address for the recipient. It means that the person to whom you are sending the letter, his address has to be there.
Okay, sir.
Okay? So first will include your address, then you will have the date, then you will have the writer, then we'll have the person to whom you are sending the letter. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
His address will be there. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, then will be the salutation. What is salutation? Suppose you are writing a letter to the principal. So what you will write? Dear ma'am. Suppose you are writing to the police commissioner. You will write dear sir, dear ma'am. That is called the salutation.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then will come the body of the letter. Okay. The main content, what you are writing is called the body of the letter.
Body of the letter.
Body of the letter.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
I'll show you one example. Then you will have the complimentary clause. Complimentary clause means thanking you. बाद में letter, after writing letter, you write a thanking you.
Yes, sir.
Complimentary clause.
Yes, sir.
Next is
Yes,
the
sir.
writer signed and the typed things. These all are called as. First, we will have subscription. What you will have?
Subscription.
Then what you will have? You will have your full name.
Subscription and full name.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yours sincerely, yours faithfully. You write like this now. Yours obediently, yours truly. This all is called subscription. Okay.
Yes,
Then you
sir.
write your full name. And remember, in formal letter, you always write full name. And in informal letter, you always write the first name. Suppose if your name is Ayush, so for if in formal letter, you will write full Ayush Yadav. And in informal letter, what you will write? Only Ayush. In formal letter, you write full name. And in informal letter, you write only the first name. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next. Format of a formal letter. What is the correct format?
Format of formal letter.
Okay. Let us
Yes, sir.
see. Everything is given in a very good manner. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
first is your, what is there? First
Name.
is your,
Sir,
Your
name.
name.
Name. Sir, name and address.
your name, your address, your everything, your detail will come first. Writer's address. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you have the date.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have the receipt, the person to whom you are sending the address.
Yes, sir.
Letter, his address will be there. Then you have the salutation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dear sir, dear man, or whatever you want to write. Okay. And before, after writing the salutation, you will have the subject. What is the subject of the letter? That also you will have. Okay. Then comes the body of the letter. This is the body of the letter. As we discussed on phone, I am very pleased to accept the position of marketing manager with Smithfield Poet. This is the main body that you are writing. This is called the body of the letter. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very close.
Yes.
Then you have, then you will have subscription. Yours truly, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, and then you will have your name.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now next. Next comes the letter format. This you will not study. This is not for you. Okay. This you will study when you will go to class 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we are going to study informal letter. Which type of letter? Informal.
Informal letter.
You already know what is an informal letter. The type of letter that you write to your near and dear ones, friends and family is called an informal
Yes,
letter.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the same thing it is given. An informal letter is a type of letter which is written to our near and dear ones, like family, friends.
An informal letter or
The
letter.
conversation in these type of letters is informal letters. No formal means of conversation is required. It means that the matter that you write in between, the way of communication, the way of conversation is in informal manner. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Conversation is in informal manner.
Later.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. And what includes in an informal letter? These things. First comes the sender's address.
Yes, sir.
The address,
Yes, sir.
sender's address means the person who is writing the letter, his address. Suppose if you are writing the letter, so first you will have your address.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
You have your address.
Yes.
Then you have the date.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then what you will have the salutation. Salutation is, suppose if you're writing the letter to your father, so what you will write? Dear Papa,
Especially.
Yes, sir.
dear Papa, or whatever you write, or dear Dad, whatever you write, okay? Whatever you write. Next
Yes,
comes the body. See, in informal letter, you will not write the person to whom you are sending the address, like informal letter. You will have only your address in the informal letter. Am I clear? You will have
Yes,
only
sir.
your address in informal letter. Okay. Then you will have
Yes,
the
sir.
date, and then you will have the salutation, and then you will have the body of the letter, that is the main content.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then you will have complimentary clause. Okay. Hope
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
to see you soon. Hope to get well soon. Whatever you write a letter, for this you will write. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next comes the subscription. Subscription means what is subscription? What will include? In subscription, it will include, suppose, your loving daughter. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Your loving friend. Your loving grandson. Whatever you can write. This is called the subscription. Okay.
Yes.
Then it will come only first name. I have written only first name. Here you will write only first name. You will not write full name. Suppose your name is Ananya, so you will write only Ananya, not Ananya Singh. Okay? You write only
Yes, sir.
Ananya. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this is the format of formal letter and an informal letter. Now let us move further. Now, what is the format of informal letter? This we are going.
Format.
तुम नीचे क्या कर रहे थे
Okay, see.
और क्या कर रहे थे उसे सही से बताओ
There's one example here.
बता ना तुम्हें पीट दूंगी अभी
Again, see, this is the writer's address, right? This is
Yes,
the address of the writer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to leave a line after writing the letter.
Yes, sir.
Then you will have the date in which you write a letter. Then again you will leave a line, and then you will write salutation to whom you are writing the letter. Okay? And this is called the body of the letter.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is called the body of the letter. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
and then you have subscription, your loving sister, your loving son, whatever you want to write, and then you will write your half name or the first name. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, one more thing you have to see here. What thing is that? It is informal letter or formal letter.
इस बारे में क्या पढ़ा है?
It has to start with the margin.
तुम क्या कर रहे थे फोन में?
Okay?
Excuse sir.
Your letter has to start with a margin. Am I clear? Okay. So here, this is the informal letter. Okay. So the thing to remember is, whenever you write a formal letter or an informal letter, it has to start with a margin, right close to the margin. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And when you change the paragraph, leave one line when you change the paragraph. These things you have to remember. After writer's address, leave one line. After date, leave one line. After salutation, leave one line, whether it's formal or informal letter. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, the chapter is over. Any problem in the chapter?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No problem?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Okay, so okay, nothing is left. So thank you, class. Our chapter is over today. So what you will be doing is you will revise, you will study the letter writing again from a book, okay? And
Okay, sir.
tomorrow also you will have your grammar class, and in tomorrow's topic we will write a letter in the copy, okay?
Yes sir.
And sir,
Yes.
sentence.
What?
So those sentence.
I will share a PDF of it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any problem?
Thank you, sir.
with the chapter?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll be continuing the further things in the next class, okay?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, class. So we'll be meeting the next class. Thank you for joining. And Anubhav, I will talk to you after some time. I have one more class, and after that I will talk to you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.